Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the ATB Sniper Indicator. Let us start by adding the indicator to the chart. Okay, so here we go. This is the ATB Sniper Indicator. All right, so this indicator helps us to quickly identify triangular patterns on the chart. Okay, it's it makes it easy to find these important patterns on your chart, and then as you can see, when a breakout occurs, it also gives us a signal, right? So it identifies the triangle pattern and then still gives us a signal. You can see this downward triangle or this downward arrow here, and you can see this downward arrow here, and you can see how the color of the candlestick changed to red after the breakout occurred. So this is quite an interesting indicator that helps us to know when a potential breakout is possibly about to happen, okay, and helps us to know when that breakout move is possibly coming to an end, right? Because after the breakout the color changed to red, and then you notice that when price started going back up, the color of the candlestick changed back to normal. Okay, so if you had entered a sell here, perhaps after the color of the candle changed back to normal, it would have been a sign to exit your sell trade. Okay, so it's quite an interesting indicator. However, it is always recommended to combine with other indicators for additional confirmation, or at least pay attention to price action, basically get additional confirmations, okay, in essence. All right, so if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.